Dear participants, I welcome you all for this workshop and appreciate you for giving this huge response to this one-day workshop on video content generation. With the advent of internet and World Wide Web, that is WWW, the access to information has become very easy. With the advent of internet and World Wide Web, that is WWW, the access to information has become very easy. We know it. Our students learn in a global environment and not necessarily within four walls of our traditional classroom. They are now efficient users of internet, mobile phones and computers. They are competent in handling different softwares and tools available on internet as per their needs. The advancement in technology has provided us the powerful and innovative digital devices that have great potential to improve educational work outcomes. The teachers as well as students should understand that the use of digital content and devices will improve teaching and learning to enhance the educational opportunities. What is more important is, in addition to improvement mentioned here before, it enables us to continue the process of teaching and learning in a period like this, the corona pandemic. This workshop aims especially in providing the knowledge and skills for teachers to cater present day learners and their learning styles. The resource person of this workshop, Mr. D.R. Somavanshi, the Technical Director of CIPL Pune, will throw light on e-content, that is video content generation, in a way that all the participants will attain the objectives of this workshop. They will be satisfied. I am sure that our team will definitely provide the desired content requirement video generation. Finally, I wish you all the best and hope a grand success for this workshop. Thank you.